end grain oak. There we go. There, and that. Whoop, I need to pop in here for a moment because this is not the how-to video. If you want to see that, I've got a whole second channel where we do how-to work. We go into detail, the hows, the whys, and actually going through it step by step. So if you want to see that, links to that down below. But on that note, let's get back to the build. One of 4. There it goes. There we go. Bottom.
Simple.
Fits here. So that's what I want there. I need to make that a little bit taller. Uh-oh, we got a crack. And we're going to do some glue up on that. How do I know where to cut? Because I drew a line there. That's how I know where to. Oop. Let's cut this line instead of that line. A little more. That is indeed what I want right there. Just like that. Slides down into there. But I need to know what that gap is and transfer it over here. I can mark where I need that line to be. Straight over to... Here we go. Nice and tight. There's two. There's Panasonic. Wait, what about us? Nice and tight like. Just clamp those together. Nice and tight like. One. Two. That's where the leg needs to intersect the body. Won't be that long. Ta-da! Bring these up. Work across. Well, that one's been on there for a while. You have to get some brute force on that sucker. Ta-da! Oop. Fits. Probably won't. Let's give it a try. Look at that. So some of you eagle eyes may have noticed on this end we've got this thing going on here. Yeah, this is actually, when I glued it up, the lamination actually wasn't laminated here. There was a bit of a bubble in the clamp, never clamped it all the way, and I thought, yeah, I can get away with it. But when I cut this end off, it created that bubble and just propagated. So now I have to clamp this down. So it never fully laminated, so it's not actually a delamination, but we're gonna fix it. And right when you think it's mixed, keep going. There we go. fun. Wow, I clamped that one down. Oh, that's because I'm clamping it. I need to unclamp it. Gotta be smarter than the tool. Hoorah! Take those out. Tap down on some of the wedges. Here we go. So it's all together now. That is one really beefy set of shelves. Now let's finish this thing in another video. So there you have it. I'm really liking where it's going. Now it's looking very beefy and very heavy, and that's kind of the point because it's matching a desk that is also very beefy and heavy. So on its own right now, it looks like it's really massive. Next time we're going to be doing some more detail work on it and chamfering and doing a few things to lighten it up just a little bit. So I'm looking forward to that. There are a few mistakes on this one. I talked through those a bit more on the second channel. So if you want to see that, hop on over there. I'm looking forward to actually doing some of the detail on this and making it shine a little bit better. It's really kind of heading out. It's a lot of fun to do some of the bending work and things like that. If you want to see the video on that, I have a whole video dedicated to how to do bending. But then I've got the previous video in this series where I bent these pieces. So if you want to see that, links to that down below. So this is the middle video in a series of 3. Next time we'll actually be doing the finishing on it. Though it will probably be a little while until we get around to that. So stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. I do want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, and everyone who's clicked that little join button down below. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't exist, so thank you. If you do want to help out without being financially involved, you can hit the little like, comment, share, subscribe. Those buttons really do help out, so thank you. Anyone who shares the video, you are helping grow the channel, and that really means a lot. If you'd like to help out one step farther, you can become a patron. There's links to that down below, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. So I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. See, on this project, we're really taking things to a new level.